Welcome to Pinch of Taste. Let's make Shami Kabab. 1 kilogram boneless beef. 2 cups soaked chana dal. 2 medium-sized sliced onion. 10 to 12 garlic cloves. 1 tablespoon ginger paste. 3 to 4 black cardamom, bari ilachi. 5 to 6 green chilies. 1 tablespoon salt. 1 tablespoon chili flakes. Half-inch 2 pieces cinnamon, darchini. 1 teaspoon black pepper. 1 teaspoon turmeric powder. Add 1 liter water. Mix. Cover and cook on medium-high flame. Gradually mix it. Cook until meat tendered. Remove from stove and let it cool. Add mixture in chopper. Add half cup chopped coriander. 1 teaspoon carom seeds, ajwain. 1 tablespoon coriander powder. 1 tablespoon chopped masala. Chop on high speed. Mix it well and chop again. Take a large tray. Place cling wrap on it. Spread mixture and shape them which you want. I'm using cookie cutter to make round and flower-shaped kebab. Take 1 egg and some breadcrumbs. Add pinch of salt. Pinch of chili flakes. Mix it well. Dip kebab in egg. Coat with breadcrumbs. At this stage, you can freeze them for later use. Fry in heating oil on medium flame. Cook from both sides until turns golden brown. Remove on paper towel. Yummy Shami Kebab are ready to eat. If you like the video, please share and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.